PostHog is a powerful product analytics tool that helps you track user behavior on your website or app. It provides insights into user interactions, events, and conversions to improve your product's performance. Here's how to use PostHog. Sign up and install PostHog. Sign up. Visit the PostHog website and sign up for an account. Install the PostHog script. After signing up, go to your project dashboard and get the installation snippet. Add this code to your website's head tag or integrate PostHog using a plugin or SDK for your platform. Track events. Define events. PostHog allows you to track custom events like button clicks, page views, form submissions, etc. Use the PostHog API to define and send events. Automatic tracking. By default, PostHog tracks basic events automatically. You can also track user actions by integrating with your product's front-end code. Analyze data. Access dashboards. PostHog provides detailed dashboards to view event data, user sessions, funnels, and cohort analysis. Segmentation. Use filters to segment data by user behavior, demographics, or device type. Utilize insights. PostHog's insights help optimize user experience by understanding friction points, improving features, and enhancing user retention.